Well, hello my beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel if you're returning, and if you are new, welcome to you as well. This is Christine, your DIY craftaholic. So in this very short video, I am unboxing some items that Woodpeckers Crafts sent me. I am an affiliate, so any purchase that you make using my link, I get a commission, but at no extra cost to you. So let's get into it. Ooh, I'm excited. Ooh, can't wait. Come on, box open. Oh, wow. Here's a little getaway confetti. Wow, what is this? Oh, there's a little card from Renee. So sweet of her. I love to support small businesses, so I get very excited when we are appreciated. Now, let's see what this is. I think this is a blanket. Yes, it is a blanket, so I'll set that aside, and now let's get into the goodies. Oh, the box is filled with silver confettis, guys. I have to make my way through it. All right, so what do we have here? We have the half-cut snowman, and I believe that's 6 in the pack of that. And then we have a chunky snow globe. And then up next, we have some small chunky teacups. And then up next, we have small mittens. And then small chunky winter hat. Let me just open this and see. Guys, you see how thick this is? This is 1/2 inch thick. And then we have some mini mushrooms. I got some of these already. And at first I thought that this were like witches for Halloween stuff. I don't do Halloween, but that's actually a chunky gift box. And this is what they call cradle painting panels. And here we have a medium and a small. Then we have a large star cutout. Ooh, we're getting to some more interesting stuff. Ooh. And then we have the wooden latte cup. And I think this is 6 inches. And then we have an 8-inch wreath ring. Yes, that is actually a wreath ring. I'd used one of those already in a previous video. And here we have a large teapot. And then we have a 12-inch teacup. These will make very nice DIYs, especially if you'd sell. And here we have the year 2024. And this is a squirrel, chunky squirrel. I had to make some space on my table here. And these are some snowflakes. And guys, this is new. They're coming out with some new stuff for Christmas. And that is a 12-inch ugly sweater cutout. And then we have a map of the world. There are so many things that you can do with these, especially if you craft for craft fairs this year. Guys, I would suggest that you jump in and get some of these products. They are not expensive. If you buy more than one, you actually get discounts. And if you use my link, that would allow me to get a commission from the company at no extra cost to you. Look at how beautiful all of these are. I can't wait to start crafting with them. So make sure, guys, to check my description box for my affiliate link to Woodpeckers. And they asked me to share this with you as well. They are celebrating a milestone. They reached 10,000 followers on Facebook. And they're asking for you to come over and join them. They have a huge package as a giveaway. But you have to do that as quickly as possible because that competition ends, or the closing is on November 6th. I will leave a link to their Instagram page in my description box. And on that note, if you'd like to follow me on social media, here are the links that you can reach me at. And to keep watching my videos, I suggest this video right here or this playlist. And stay safe, my friends, until my next one. Now hop on over to Woodpeckers Craft and purchase some of those items. See you then. Bye.